About Cordycep sinensis, don't be fooled again. Is it really Cordycep sinensis that you bought? Or have you been brainwashed by the commercial advertisement, spent a lot of money, but bought fake product? Now let's talk about the myths about purchasing the Cordycep sinensis.
Myth number 1. The true identity of Cordycep sinensis.
In fact, Cordyceps is a big category. There are more than 400 kinds of Cordyceps found in the world, and Cordycep sinensis is only one of them. The common Cordyceps healthcare products on the market are mostly Cordyceps from militaries, cicada flower, and so on. Their health function and price are far lower than that of Cordycep sinensis. Myth number 2. Cordycep sinensis can be planted artificially. Limited by the special ecological and geographic environment needed for the growth of Cordycep sinensis, it cannot be planted artificially. So Cordycep sinensis is wild. It is a lie to claim that the raw material is artificially planted Cordycep sinensis, which is actually other types of Cordyceps that can be planted artificially. Myth number 3. All kinds of Cordyceps have the same health function. In terms of price, the price of wild Cordycep sinensis is up to $60,000 to $100,000 per kilogram, while the price of artificially planted Cordycep militaries is only $20 to $50 per kilogram. Do you think it is possible to say that they have the same health function? In terms of ingredients, although the ingredients of Cordycep sinensis are similar, the content and activity of the ingredients are very different. Cordycep sinensis has a variety of unique health functions which are suitable for all ages, and these features are not available in other types of Cordyceps.